Hi all, Renee here. I am here today to put together the April Cut Above layout kit from the Craft with Heart subscription service. Love this subscription service. It gives you everything you need to make two-page layouts, and all you need to add is some adhesive. Everything else is done. It's really awesome, really quick way to craft. Normally these kits take me about 45 minutes to an hour to make two-page layouts. Can't go wrong with that. These look like they're going to be a lot of fun. So I'm going to go ahead and get started with these, and I'll put some music on for you, and when I'm done I'll be back to show you the completed projects and answer any questions you might have. Enjoy. Okay, these ones turned out really nice. I love this one, just so bright, cheerful. I can think of lots of things to use this for. Wonderful, I really like it. Lots of pictures too, because there's 5 3x4s and a 5x7. You could also change out the 5x7 if you don't have a 5x7. Put a couple 3x4s here and just have a larger mat underneath it. So very versatile, this one. I really like it, and I love the way these flowers came out. I think this style is called Jacobean. I could be wrong on that, but I really like it. I love the way this turned out. And then the second one is really fun. This would be great for a kid's layout. Again, 3 3x4s, a 4x6, so very common sizes. Has a place for your journaling. I love all these little stickers because they really add some dimension without adding a lot of space in your book. So those are the 2 layouts for the April Cut Above Layout Kit for the Craft with Heart subscription service. If you have any questions about this subscription service, feel free to leave me a comment down below. I'll be happy to get back with you. Otherwise, you could just check out my store. Click on the link there. It'll take you to my store, and you'll find subscriptions up in the top. If you'd like to join my VIP group, that's on Facebook. Just click the link down below, answer a question, and I'll let you in. If you don't answer the question, though, I won't be letting you in. You have to answer the question. We've had some weird spammers come by lately, so we had to institute that little change. So feel free to hit subscribe down below if you'd like to see more of what I do. And if you hit the bell, it'll send you a little notification when I upload a video. Otherwise, thank you so much for joining me today, and I will see you soon.